Today I will show you how you can record a video using your iPad. Now you can use either one of those two softwares or apps. You can get them from the App Store. One of them is Doceri. This is it. It's Doceri. You can get it from the App Store, or you can use another app called Explain Everything, and you also can get that from the App Store. Doceri is for free, but Explain Everything costs up to $3. Again, if you'd like to use my iPad, let me know and I can lend you that. Now, for Doceri, if you'd like to use this app, you have to take a picture of the PDF file or whatever lesson you want to do, and you have to go through a computer, or you can just from my iPad alone. But as you can see, it's not showing anything. But to go to, you can upload that from the App Store, and you have to take a picture of the lesson that you want, and there's a record button. Like, it's basically self-explanatory. I haven't used this app, but usually I use Explain Everything, and this is what I'm going to be working on. Now, in Explain Everything, the good thing is that if you have a Dropbox, if you go to the app Explain Everything, and you can upload in a whatever you want, from a Dropbox, from iTunes, from Google Drive, any place that you want. Usually I keep all my stuff in the Dropbox, and I can pull out, for example, worksheets from there. For example, if I want to work on Unit 5, I would just go to Unit 5, upload. It's better if it's in a PDF file, so the red is PDF file, because as you can see, things will be in place. It would take it as a picture and you can use it. Or if you choose to have a document, I don't recommend that, because as you can see, things will not be in order. Sometimes the minus will go. As you can see, if you read now, you're trying to read 4x squared plus 4, like 1x minus, so it didn't take the document well, so it has to be a PDF file. So save it as a PDF file for it to be recognized by the Explain Everything. Now what you can do is you can get all of those documents from Edmodo, and you can upload it to your Dropbox, or you can email it to yourself. So if you go to your email, like for example, I emailed myself, as you can see, there's a PDF file over here. So I emailed it to myself. I got it from Edmodo, emailed it to myself, and whenever you open it, this button over here, once you download Explain Everything and you press Explain Everything, open and Explain Everything, it will just take it to the app. So this is one way. So let's start working on Explain Everything app. For me, I'm gonna just take any worksheet. Let's say I want to work on 4.7, which is inverse of radicals. Once you do that, let me go back because I already chose this one. Okay, let me get any document I'm gonna take. Let's say 5.4. I'm gonna just upload 5.4b. Once you do that, it's gonna ask you to choose. So once you choose, what you can do, it's gonna load now. After it loads, if it's 2-page, you can go to second page and first page, and you can touch this button over here, and like you can save it as 5.4b video, and every time you record, you can just save it. It will save on top of it. Now let's go through all of them. This is the hand button. It means if you want to move it. This is the pen. Whenever you want to write, you press on it if you want to choose the width of the pen. Now this one is a laser to point. You can press on it and it will give you different options. It can be an arrow, so you can point. So I'm going to be using that. Let me choose this one so you can see what I'm... Okay, so this is a laser. X, it means if you, let's say I chose the pen and I chose this color, let's say, to write. If you press on it, it will give you different options. So you can use the pink to write. Let's say you make a mistake, you can erase it. And let's say you wrote something and you press eraser, and then you press laser. Now there is no eraser anymore, there's an X. It means you just click on it and you can just press an X. So these are different colors. Let me use. So these are different colors, 3 different colors that you can use. This one, as you can see, just to give you some room, more room to write. Let's press it again. Now this one, a magnifier, if you press it and you double tap, it will make it bigger and give you more room to write. So if you double tap, it will magnify wherever you want it to. You can make it bigger or smaller. You just pinch it with with 2 fingers. Now this one over here is like just undo. This is just an undo button. This one is just like you can select. Let's say you have different pictures, you want to bring one to the front, you want to lock it so it doesn't move, or you can set it as a background. So this is another option that you can use. Again, we talked about this. This one, if you want to add a document again, you can choose a video, a photo from your camera roll, and so on. So let's say I want to write in black, and if you want to record, let's talk about recording. So we have different things over here that you can use. Let me use the laser. So over here, as you can see, this is going to be the record button, and this is going to be the play button, and here it shows you the time it passes. Remember, when you go to another slide, it will, even if you're recording, it will still say that it will start all over. So you need to make sure how many minutes you recorded in the first slide, how many minutes you recorded in the second slide, and you add them, so it shouldn't be more than 15 minutes. Let's say I recorded a video. Now time passes, you're just solving this. Let's say you're solving that. And then you stop. You want to save it, so you click over here and you press save the video. Yes, you just say yes. Now it saved the whole video. Now once you're done, you can go to the home button. And over here, if you like, as you can see, 5.4b video is what I want. So you press on this. It's like export a file, and you press on that. Now what you need to do is you need to upload it either to your camera roll, it can be a video file, or you can directly upload it to YouTube. So you need a YouTube account for that. If you press YouTube, you need to make sure that it's public or unlisted, and you need to explain more about that. The movie name, you can name it whatever the name of the movie is going to be, and you publish it. It's going to take some time as you publish it, so it will directly be on YouTube. Now as you can see, I have a lot of videos that I have uploaded, so now I'm going to show you how you can go to. Now once you finish uploading the video to your YouTube channel, you just go to Video Manager, and then you try to select the video that you want to upload. Let's say you want to upload this one of the videos that I made. You go to Share, and then you need to embed it in the blog. Plus you copy. Now here, let's say you embed the video in the blog and it's too big, like it's on top of something else, so you can change the size of the video over here. Like you can customize it to be a specific length and width, so it would be the right measurement for your blog. So this is how you can change the video size. Remember, you have to change the video size before you copy the whatever this is. So let's say Control C for copy. Now you go to the blog. You have to make sure that you log in with your account. Remember, it should be your first and last name. Should be your first and last name, and your password should be your ID. Now once you go here, let me go to the website. Once you go here, you can just press plus new. It means you want to add a post. So you press post. You need to add a new post. Let's say I want to add 5-4B video, and you name it. What is that? Like it's, let's say, adding and subtracting rational functions. Now, you want to embed, so you need to go to text. Visual, it means when you want to write something down. Like this is would be good for your CWA. You would press visual, you would write what you need to write, and then you would submit it. For you, it's submit for review, not publish. So whenever you submit for review, I will get an email knowing that you have something on the blog, and I will accept it. Now, if you want to embed, you go to text. Now what you do is you press Control V, which is paste, and this is how you embed the video. And then let's say you want to preview it before you submit it. So if you preview it, you're going to see how it's going to look. So this is the video, and this is how you embed a video in the blog. Now, as you can see, it's the right length and width. It's not, how would you know it's not the right length? If you see that your video is on top of those like post notes, it means that you have to change the size. And again, you go to the video size and you change it. As you can see here, it shows the title, and it shows everything that you need to do. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back over here, and I want you guys to tag it. Now I will be having different categories. Let's say unit 4, which is radical functions, unit 5, which is, for example, rational functions, and you will click on it. So if I want to search for a movie, I would know which category to look for. Now I want you to tag it, like you can put this, that this is 5.2b. So I know, like if anyone is looking for this lesson, they know how to look or what to look for, because I will have a search thing over here. And again, you preview it and you publish it if you need to. Again, visual if you want to type in a text, and text if you want to embed something. Visual is going to show you how it's going to look like. So what you want, if you want, you can just type in things over here like your name or your partner's name if you don't want it in the title. So this is how you post. Now what you can do as well is that now my theme, this is how, if you go to my website, if you go, so this is how it looks like, but you can change yours. For example, when you go to add post, you can change your theme. Like if you want your post can look different from the others, and you will earn a grade for making it look good. So it's up to you what you want to do. Again, you can change the theme. It doesn't have to be just like mine. And this is how you embed a video. Now, how am I making all of this? What I'm doing is I'm mirroring my iPad on the laptop, and whenever you want to record on the laptop, the thing that you can use, you can go to the link www.screencast-o-matic.com. Now what I did for you guys is I have a link on my blog. If you just go to the blog, if you scroll down, you have something called here screen recorder. If you press on this, it will directly take you to Screencast-O-Matic. Now what you need to do is you press start recording, and it will give you like a window. You can either choose to record the whole thing, the whole screen, or choose to record a partial. Like I was when I was recording the iPad, I was just recording the part of the iPad. And once you finish recording, it will give you the choice to either upload it to YouTube immediately, or you can save it to your let's say your computer as a video file. And when you do that, you can directly go to YouTube after that. So let's go to YouTube. And if you have a video, you can just press upload, and then you will choose upload the file. Make sure that it's either public or unlisted, and then you select the file you need to upload. Let's say you want to upload one of those videos. You press what you want to upload and you open it. It will take time to upload. Remember to set it as either public or unlisted. And this is how you record a video, either on your laptop or iPad.